Hello, my name is Roger Nevin, and in this little video, I'm going to describe querying the internet, which is a requirement for module number 4. I'm first going to start with push technology. Push technology is where you set up a query that is automatically answered once a day by having a piece of software or code search the internet for you. And there are two types of code that do that. One of them is an RSS feed, which most news organizations have. So for example, if we look at CBC technology, or right in this case, New York Times technology, what an RSS feed does is it takes all the most recent stories from, in this case, the New York Times, and sends them to me. You can set it up either on a web page like I have here, which will be updated daily, or you can actually have it sent to your email address, so you can choose. The other one is a Google Alert. A Google Alert searches the entire internet. Generally, it'll search news organizations and blogs, and then you put in the keywords, and you can put in any keywords you want. So in this case, I put in technology and education. I found this very useful when I was doing a lot of work with Google Apps Education. So my Google Alert would be Google Apps Education, and then I'd get articles every single day on what was happening around the world, so I wouldn't have to search for it individually. Another way you can search effectively is to use Twitter. So right here I put my Twitter feed. These are my tweets or retweets that I did for my feed. But I'll go to Twitter and show you something else. So here's Twitter, and I'm following 578 people. And the problem with that is it's hard sometimes to get specific information because each one of those people is an expert in different fields. So what you do is you create different lists. So if you look at my lists, right at the bottom, I have one just on technology leaders. So what I'll do is I'll take people who tweet, and I will put those members, which is only 39, into technology leaders. I also, by the way, have one for libraries. So when I click on that, these are people that can give you some very good information on technology. And if you go to, let's take a look, this one right here, I always like tweets that have a link to a website so you can look further into it. So this is the way I do most of my research. I find it's very effective.